Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gemini crypto wallet mobile app, fast access step by step clearly. To log into the Gemini crypto wallet mobile app, start by opening the app on your mobile device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, visit the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Gemini, and install it. Once the app is open, you will see the login screen. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. After entering your email, tap on the Next button. Now, you'll need to input your password. Make sure your password is typed correctly to avoid any errors. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you've entered your password, tap the Login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a verification code via email or SMS. Check your email or messages for the code. Enter the verification code in the provided field in the app. Once the code is entered, tap the Verify button. You should now be logged in to your Gemini crypto wallet. If you face any issues logging in, check your internet connection. For additional assistance, you can visit the Gemini support page. Now you are ready to manage your crypto assets securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.